Hook. Are you looking for the perfect comfort food recipes to make for a cozy night in? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 best comfort food recipes that will make your night in extra special. 1. Mac and cheese. This classic comfort food is sure to please. Start by boiling your macaroni noodles in salted water. Once cooked, drain and set aside. In a separate pot, melt butter and add flour to make a roux. Slowly add milk and stir until thickened. Add cheese and stir until melted. Add the macaroni noodles and stir until combined. Top with breadcrumbs and bake in the oven until golden brown. 2. Grilled cheese sandwich. This classic sandwich is a favorite for all ages. Start by buttering 2 slices of bread. Place 1 slice of bread in a skillet over medium heat. Top with cheese and the other slice of bread. Cook until golden brown and cheese is melted. Serve with a side of tomato soup for a delicious meal. 3. Chili. This hearty dish is sure to warm you up on a cold night. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in a pot. Add ground beef and cook until browned. Add canned tomatoes, beans, and chili powder. Simmer for 30 minutes. Serve with shredded cheese, sour cream, and diced onions. 4. Shepherd's pie. This savory dish is a great way to use up leftovers. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. In a large skillet, sauté onions and garlic. Add ground beef and cook until browned. Add frozen vegetables and cooked potatoes. Place the mixture in a baking dish and top with mashed potatoes. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes. 5. Chicken pot pie. This creamy dish is sure to please. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. In a large skillet, sauté onions and garlic. Add chicken and cook until browned. Add frozen vegetables and cream of chicken soup. Place the mixture in a baking dish and top with a pie crust. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes. 6. Lasagna. This Italian classic is sure to be a hit. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. In a large skillet, sauté onions and garlic. Add ground beef and cook until browned. Stir in crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and Italian seasoning. Simmer the sauce for about 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix together ricotta cheese, egg, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped fresh basil. To assemble the lasagna, spread a layer of the meat sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Add a layer of lasagna noodles, followed by a layer of the ricotta cheese mixture and shredded mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers until all the ingredients are used, ending with a layer of meat sauce and shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for about 45 minutes. Then, remove the foil and continue baking for an additional 15 minutes, or until the cheese is golden and bubbly. 7. Chicken and dumplings. This comforting southern dish is perfect for chilly nights. Start by heating a large pot over medium heat and adding diced chicken, onions, and celery. Cook until the chicken is browned and the onions are softened. Pour in chicken broth and bring it to a boil. In a separate bowl, mix together flour, baking powder, salt, and milk to form a thick dough. Drop spoonfuls of the dough into the boiling broth, creating dumplings. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the dumplings are cooked through and fluffy. 8. Beef stew. This hearty stew is full of tender meat and vegetables. Start by browning beef cubes in a large pot with some oil. Remove the beef from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, sauté onions, carrots, and celery until they begin to soften. Add the beef back to the pot, along with beef broth, diced tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, and herbs like thyme and rosemary. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beef is tender. Serve the beef stew hot with crusty bread or over mashed potatoes for a comforting meal. 9. Baked ziti. This cheesy pasta dish is a crowd pleaser. Start by cooking ziti pasta according to package instructions until al dente. In a large skillet, cook ground sausage or beef with onions and garlic until browned. Drain any excess grease. Mix the cooked pasta with marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and the cooked meat mixture. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish and top with more mozzarella cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 10. Tomato soup and grilled cheese croutons. This twist on a classic combo is perfect for a cozy night in. Prepare tomato soup according to package instructions or make it from scratch using canned tomatoes, onions, garlic, and vegetable broth. For the grilled cheese croutons, make a grilled cheese sandwich as usual and cut it into small squares or triangles. Serve the tomato soup in bowls and garnish with the grilled cheese croutons. Enjoy these delicious comfort food recipes and make your night in extra special with these satisfying dishes. Thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the 2 new videos we upload every day for free. By subscribing, you'll get informative and entertaining content every day. See you in our next video.